Imagine a world where you can work, play, learn, and socialize in a completely digital space, where your office is a virtual building, your friends live as avatars, and entire economies thrive without physical borders. Sound like science fiction? It's not. The metaverse is already taking shape, and it's set to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact. In this video, we're going to unpack this powerful concept, explore the technology behind it, and reveal why understanding it now matters more than ever. The term Metaverse isn't new. It was first coined in 1992 by author Neal Stephenson in his sci-fi novel Snow Crash, describing a shared virtual world where people interacted through avatars. Today, the term refers to a collective, persistent virtual universe that combines augmented reality, virtual reality, and the internet into an immersive, interconnected digital ecosystem. Think of it as the next generation of the internet, not a 2D screen you look at, but a 3D world you step into. To understand how the metaverse works, we need to break it down into its core building blocks. There are 5 key pillars that shape this new digital reality. The first is immersive technologies. VR headsets, AR glasses, haptic gloves, and spatial audio are turning digital spaces into lifelike environments. Companies like Meta, Apple, and HTC are leading the way in making these tools more accessible. The second is digital identity. Your avatar is your passport to the metaverse. Users craft digital identities that can travel across platforms, a critical step towards a unified, persistent virtual world. The third is virtual economies. In-game currencies, NFTs, and blockchain-based assets form the economic backbone of many metaverse platforms. These economies already generate billions through virtual real estate, digital fashion, and immersive experiences. The fourth is interoperability. For the metaverse to truly function, different platforms need to communicate seamlessly. Imagine moving from a concert in Fortnite to a business meeting in Horizon workrooms without changing avatars or assets. The fifth is social and cultural spaces. The metaverse isn't just about technology, it's about community. From concerts and fashion shows to classrooms and religious gatherings, shared virtual experiences are reshaping culture itself. To truly grasp its potential, imagine a day in the metaverse. You wake up, put on your lightweight AR glasses, and instantly see messages and calendar updates overlaid in your real-world environment. Your work meeting happens in a virtual boardroom where your colleagues' avatars interact naturally, using hand gestures and spatial audio. At lunch, you explore a digital shopping district where you buy both physical and virtual sneakers. One pair gets delivered to your door, while the other outfits your avatar. In the evening, you attend a live concert with millions of others, dancing alongside friends from different continents. No flights, no physical tickets, just shared presence. This isn't far off science fiction. Many of these scenarios are already unfolding in early metaverse platforms. Underneath the immersive visuals lies a sophisticated technological stack. Networking and cloud computing provide the speed and power to handle millions of simultaneous users in real time. Blockchain and Web3 give users true ownership of digital assets and ensure decentralization. Artificial intelligence powers realistic avatars, generates dynamic worlds, and personalizes experiences. Spatial computing and 3D engines like Unreal and Unity create the environments we explore. And hardware evolution, from VR headsets to sleek AR glasses, is making access smoother, cheaper, and more intuitive. It's not just one company building the metaverse. It's an ecosystem of major tech players, startups, and even governments. Meta, formerly Facebook, is investing billions to dominate social VR spaces. Microsoft focuses on enterprise solutions with Mesh and HoloLens. Apple is betting big on AR as a bridge between the digital and physical worlds. Gaming companies like Epic Games are turning their platforms into social hubs. Meanwhile, decentralized platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox are experimenting with user-owned virtual real estate and economies. This mix of centralized and decentralized efforts will shape what the metaverse becomes. The metaverse could transform nearly every aspect of society. Work could shift to virtual offices, with remote collaboration becoming more immersive and borderless. Education could become more engaging and accessible through interactive, immersive classrooms. Healthcare could see advances like VR therapy and AR-assisted surgeries. Entertainment is already being reshaped through virtual concerts, events, and new kinds of experiences. Economically, new business models, marketplaces, and tokenized assets are emerging, potentially reshaping global commerce. But this future isn't without serious challenges. Privacy and security will become critical concerns as people spend more time in immersive spaces. Monopolies could emerge if a single company controls the majority of the metaverse. Mental health issues may arise as digital and physical realities blend. Regulation will need to adapt to define property rights, address crimes, and set legal frameworks in virtual spaces. And accessibility remains a concern. Will the metaverse be open to everyone, or will it deepen existing digital divides? We're at the early stages of a decades-long journey. Just like the early internet of the 1990s, today's metaverse platforms are clunky, fragmented, and experimental. But the building blocks are being laid. Over the next 10 to 20 years, advances in connectivity, computing power, and user experience will bring the metaverse closer to mainstream reality. The internet as we know it is evolving, and the metaverse is its next chapter. It's not just a trend. It's a technological and cultural shift that will impact how we live, work, and connect. The question is, will you be ready for it? If you found this deep dive valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore more videos on How True, where we explain the big ideas shaping our world.